Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 30. Can you change 0.9 recurring so that there, when you see the little dot on the top, means 0.9 recurring? That means the 9 keeps continuing on forever, to a fraction in the form a over b, where a and b are integers. In other words, a and b have to be whole numbers. So can we change this decimal here to a fraction where a and b are whole numbers? Now, as always, you have a chance to pause this video now and see if you can solve it yourself. I'm going to go to the next slide now to discuss the solution. So here's your chance to pause. In the first instance, this looks tricky because it keeps recurring. Recurring decimals, those that keep repeating with a set pattern, so the important thing here is the set pattern, can be changed to rational fractions. Let's have a look how we do it on the next slide. If you let n equal 0.9 recurring, and we call that equation 1, if we multiply both sides by 10, we get 10n equals 9.9 recurring. So there's equation 1 and there's equation 2. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2, just the same way we normally do in simultaneous equations. So basically, it's equation 2 minus equation 1. So 10n minus n, that is 10n minus n, equals 9.9 recurring minus 0.9 recurring. 10n minus n is 9n. 9.9 recurring minus 0.9 recurring is 9. So if 9n equals 9, therefore n equals 1. That's hard to believe, but that is absolutely true. And if you wanted to put it in the form a over b, it's just 1 over 1. But I have simplified it just to 1. See that? So 1 over 1 is the fraction in the form of a over b, where in this case a and b are equal, or you can just say n equals 1. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's not a trick. It's actually the way we do it, and we can do a similar process for many of the recurring decimals.